about this, son. This is for your time. Punchy chunky. Punchy chunky. Yeah. Daddy! Slow down.
You got kissing me. What?
I was helping you.
No, you.
No, I was helping.
That's Godzilla?
It's Godzilla.
It is Godzilla. Had to pull over. We literally got caught in the middle of a thunderstorm. It's crazy. Hey, birthday boy. Hey, birthday boy. He's back there trying to act like he know the lyrics. Look at daddy, handsome. What? What? Come on, DJ, where the music at? Daddy, give us some of that hot fire. Put some of that hot fire on for the birthday boy. We need something to get us, you know what I'm saying, pumping and going. What is this? Nah, this, he don't know nothing about this.
I thought you said you want some hot fire, bro.
Nah, he don't need to know nothing about this. He don't know nothing about this. Look at, Birthday boy, I know that ain't without you put that hand down. Don't play like that. Go, birthday boy. Oh, go, birthday boy.
Oh, look at me, mama. Look at me, mama. Oh, look.
Why you hating on me? Boy, why you hating on me?
You jealous.
Don't be a hater. Sir, what he say?
He said a bad word.
Yeah, he said a bad word. Turn that off. He did. You heard him. You did hear. I heard it.
What he said?
You heard it, Daddy. You heard it. Yeah, we gotta turn that off. You ready for David Buster's? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna play all the games.
Me too.
You too?
I beat you.
You gonna beat me on the games?
Yeah, Daddy, and Idris beat you.
You, Daddy, and Idris? No, I don't think y'all can beat me on the games. I'm gonna beat y'all on the games.
Dad, I will beat Mama.
Yep.
No, y'all not.
Yep.
No, y'all not.
Yep.
Yeah.
We got unlimited gaming, so we'll see about that.
Look, there's city.
What city?
Where?
This ain't the city. We out in the country right now.
Where?
We in the country. This ain't no city.
They're madness, ain't it? Yeah, they're seeing marauders.
Auntie.
Where?
Where? Look.
This ain't no city, boy. We out here in the country.
You know all that, right?
Yeah.
That gotta be like, what, 40, 50 acres? Just a land alone?
Yeah.
People be owning like 50, 100 some acres of land.
Yeah.
And do it, boy, stay in the same acre their whole life. Don't do nothing with it.
Oh, you saying they don't really like use the rest of the land?
I mean, what would you? I don't know. What would you do with
you
all that
farm
land?
or something, though. That much land. Build onto it. Build like a, what you say,
A little city? I ain't building no city.
no, like a little compound, like different houses.
Oh, yeah.
That like, you know, kids can stay in, with their families and stuff for generations. Yeah, I would like to do stuff like that. Like, I definitely like.
I built some other stuff, like a little shooting range, bowling alley. Could be in the house though. I want a bowling alley in the house.
When we buy a house, I definitely want a house with some acres. Like, you know, people paying $800,000 for a house with like no acres. No acres.
I do want that obstacle course and maybe like something to do off-road vehicles.
Yeah.
Like ATVs and stuff. I want a lake. Maybe a river.
A creature in this.
A creature.
In there. Like you said.
Oh, and you see it?
Oh, paintball that hurt. I wouldn't mind doing like a little paintball area too, but paintball hurt.
Yeah.
I don't like paintball. See, that would be nice, but she button mash.
Boy, don't be jealous because I be whooping. Okay.
I don't like playing against button mashers, bro. They're unruly.
Okay, so
they're chaotic.
but he be looking up stuff on the game, trying to look up different moves and cheat.
Yeah, we going through the country, bro. It's bad. It's probably bad reception. I said she a button masher.
Hey,
don't get mad because I'm good. Exactly, tell him. Exactly, boy. Ain't nobody got time to be trying to think up all the different moves.
Why are you yelling? We in the video.
Because he understands. He understands. Button mashers on top, losers on the bottom.
He don't even button mash. He must be getting his butt whooped. You got button mash.
Hey, how you gonna try to speak? Don't speak.
What he say? What's Stewie say? It don't matter how you get to the pot of gold, my brother. As long as you beat the leprechaun.
Exactly.
Hang up. Disconnect.
I'm losing.
Yeah.
Boy, I already told you I'm about to beat you and your daddy at all the games, so. And Idris gonna be asleep, so.
It's all good. Fighting games never been my forte. I've been a shooter. I like shooter games.
You gonna beat me?
A little bit this morning because
Boy, I ain't getting my butt.
You did what?
You think you gonna beat me?
This morning I was so wondering why you didn't respond to my text because I had to initiate the text today because I was outside.
You text me?
Ooh, Idris starting. Mama came back here with her boys. Cause baby Idris was over here cutting up. What you chunky? What you chunky? Yeah. He said, I want somebody to come keep me company, mama. I'm gonna hang out with y'all back here, okay?
Let's go sleep, Mom.
Let's go to sleep.
Yeah.
Oh, there he go. What, Chunky? What, Chunky? Oh, relax. Idris, we can't take you out the car seat, baby. We can't take you out the car seat, okay? You have to be safe and chill in your car seat and stay buckled up. Tell me what happened? What happened? Yeah.
I'll go sleep.
Stop crying.
Can we go sleep, Mom?
You can go to sleep if you want to, buddy. Okay. Let's try and calm Idris down first, okay? You can go ahead and go to sleep. Mommy's going to try and calm Idris down. Let me try and calm him down first. You can go ahead and go to sleep.
Can you let you go?
Huh?
Can you let you go?
Let who go?
Idris.
Oh, you have to share. Don't be like that.
I want to go sleep.
You have to share with your baby brother. You can go to sleep on me. Here, let me move my hair. There. I'll sit there. You can go to sleep on me. Okay. Ooh, I'm right here. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Talk to me. Tell mommy. What happened? Yes. He holding on to mommy's finger. Oh. Yes. Give me that smile. Yes. Give me that smile. You handsome. Say, yes, I'm handsome like my big brother. Say, I'm handsome like my big brother. Yes. Mommy back here. Don't cry. Ooh. You are a big boy. You're not a baby. You'll always be my baby, but you a big boy. Oh, what? Ooh, okay, I'm back over here. What? Tell me, talk to me. Do you want Daddy to turn those jams back up? DJ, cut the music up.
Yeah, CJ.
I don't know who y'all think y'all talking to.
You don't know nothing about this, son. This is for your time. You don't need know about that. You don't need to know about none of that. You don't need to know about none of that. Show me your moves. Show me your moves. What's that? Monster Mash? Okay, DJ. Okay. Clap. Okay. Oh, what is that? Don't hurt me now. Don't hurt me now.
Backflip.
Backflip. Oh, that's a backflip. What? Oh, don't hurt yourself now. Don't hurt yourself now. Can you do that? Stay back.
I told you.
See, he always going too far with. Daddy, slow down. Dang, what's wrong with the DJ? Calm down.
DJ so weird.
Yeah, DJ, slow down. Driving fast like that. We have to call them boys on you. You feeling this, Idris? You feeling this music, Chunky Man? Chunky Man. I'm Godzilla. I'm Godzilla.
So Godzilla can call, and I hate it, and I big Logan Godzilla.
Boy, I'm Godzilla. That's what I do. Then I be running around here being Godzilla, cause you know I can rap, and you know I'm on the ride, and you know I'm super cool, and you know I'm on the track, and I'm spinning hot fire. Yeah, I'm just rich.
Well then, King of Tower, then who is me, statue.
First of all, you ain't even rap. You just sound like you just talking. I won. Get it, birthday boy. 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 Get it, birthday boy.
I like that TikTok. I like that TikTok. Mama, look. Mama.
Hey, hold on, boys. I'm in the music video. I'm in the heart of a dream, I'm a rich. She's in my heart and my sleep, I'm a nation. I'm like a rich. I'm singing in love. Why you late?
shirt.
Yeah.
You wanna play against mommy or who you wanna
You wanna play against daddy?
That's mama.
Oh, you wanna play against me?
Yeah.
You don't want none of this. You didn't smoke me. Okay, but y'all ain't smoked me like last time though. 27 to 23. 27 to 23. I ain't get smoked. I ain't get smoked.
Stop talking about.
Tell her what happened before that though.
Nothing.
Yeah, 84 to 23.
Nothing. First of all, it's because I'm holding Idris.
Yeah.
And you know what? Look. I just want to go on the record to say that basketball definitely a workout because my arms is hurting.
Football.
Idris has been sleeping this whole time.
Welcome to 2 minutes.
Yeah, let's see you smoke this football. Talking all that stuff. Go.
It's the snap. This is your pressure.
See, sure you gotta try to throw it in the hole.
Let's see if she good.
Mama can't do it.
Yes, I can. Scoot back, scoot back.
Oh, watch out, baby.
If I ain't, necessarily.
Girl, just toss it.
I ain't necessarily can do too much. Hold my little back. Rico, get up out my space.
Just toss it.
Okay, scoot back. Y'all sweating me. Hey.
Boo.
What's up? What's up? Almost fell over. What's up?
Exactly.
Why y'all always being jealous of me? Don't be hating on me.
Yeah, he's locked in, bro. What's your item, Cedric? Other one. Go, Cedric. Cedric, hit it. Hit your mama. Yeah, you're real tough against kids. You're a real good racer against kids.
Sir, I'm gonna whoop you next. Don't worry. Yeah, we gonna play again. Come on. Good burpee, baby. I'm in the truck with Idris. Yeah, to get him a little milk break in. Ain't that right, Chunky? Ain't that right, Chunky? You feel good? You've been sleeping that whole time. You just relaxing, huh? How nice it might feel. It must feel to be a little baby. You about ready to go back in? Huh? You ready to go back in? Be strapped up to mommy again? You ready to go back in? You can go celebrate your big brother's birthday with him? You're so cute. You're so handsome. You look just like your big brother when he was a baby. You know that? He's just looking around like, whatever, mama. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Idris. What you doing, Chunky? What you doing, Chunky, man? Come on, let's change your diaper first and then we'll head back in there. You doing Transformers? black was cool. The last time we did this one, I think he was like, what, 4 or 5?
Mama, we want you. We need help.
Y'all playing Transformers?
Yeah.
All right. Huh? Hold on, I'm holding Idris. I think it'll be shaking up too much. It's not showing what they're doing on the screen. I can't see Transformers. CG3 not even helping. He's just holding. CG3 just holding what are you doing? His controller. Oh, there you go. He's probably just mesmerized by what's going on. And this one is good. How you like it? Is it fun?
Yeah. Give me one.
I couldn't see what y'all was doing on the screen. I don't think the screen work on this one to sync up. You want to play this one next? Oh, CG3, he said happy birthday, bud. How was it? Did you like it?
Yeah, we only lost because the volume was too loud.
I couldn't see what y'all was doing on the screen.
Oh, you couldn't?
No, I don't
It was
think the screen
cool.
work. CG3 was like mesmerized because he was looking down.
Yeah, it was
so he
it
wasn't
was
even helping. Yeah.
You running out of time.
Yeah, this your turn, right here. Here, that was gonna work. You need to use this one. This is your timer right here. You want that purple one? Oh, they cheated. That's cheating. That's cheating. I saw that here. Because we ain't leaving until we get this purple. We ain't leaving until we get that purple Pokemon. Don't worry about son. We got all day.
No, we don't.
We got all day. Yeah. There go ahead.
Scoot it back some more. A little bit more.
It dropped it. Come on, look at me quick. I need you to be the crane.
Okay.
Be the crane.
Maybe I have to hold
Be the crane. We are literally watching him cheat in 4K. Because he didn't grab this thing like 4 times now. Here you go, son. We're going to use this video when we ask for a refund.
I got 2.
We need more tokens on this card. We grabbed this thing like 4 times. Get it. They cheated. They are really cheating.
I got it.
Go ahead. Grab it, CG. They're just going to drop them in 2 separate places. Go ahead. See what happened is this is how they get you. Don't do that. Be careful. What happened is they're trying to be slick because when they let it back up, it's trying to wobble too much so it can drop.
Give it here. Here.
Hold on, Daddy. We need another card. Hold on.
Y'all finna run through all the cars just to play this?
Oh, we're gonna get this plush out of here. Because we didn't grab this like 4 times. We don't want to leave it to you. Hold on, CG3. Your band don't work on these.
Here, you want to keep the cars in your pocket? Them is the cars from that game.
From the ones you used up?
Huh? No, from the game. Those not the money cars.
Okay. Look. We gonna game it. It's right here. It's close. So if you drop it this time, it should drop it in there. Yeah, get it. Go again. Almost. You're gonna have to use it 30 times so you get close enough for the exit to drop it in the thing.
He's not easy.
Try to scoot it over some more so that you won't grab it down the side of this little box thing.
$7.
Don't matter. Don't matter.
It cost you
Don't matter.
$7.
Never give up, son. High five. Never give up. That's what we teaching around here. Yeah. We end up getting 4 of these. So one for me, Daddy, CG3, and Idris. Taking all the lunches out there. Oh, he got it. He hit it. No, he hit it up there. And then it came back down to 20. Hey, you try, Daddy. Let Daddy try. We gonna win these 1,000 tickets.
You gotta whack it just hard enough.
Okay. Then scan it for Daddy, CG3.
I hold it.
Okay. What? CG3 won our first ticket thing. He won our first one, 500. We gonna let Daddy try now, CG3. Look, CG3, look. Daddy wants to try that, see if he can get some. Uh-oh, how many is that? 250? 250?
If you stop shaking it around like that,
CG3 had a couple of them and it dropped them, only gave him one.
Yeah, you can use it.
Somebody hold him. You gonna try again, CG3? CG3 the crane master. He pressed it right on that one. Son, look, we out here trying to win these tickets so we can go for the big prize.
Yeah. What, Mom?
Yeah. All right, let's see. Daddy gonna go again. Cedric. Right, get in there. Get in there. Come on, CG3, use your magic touch. That's it. You can go twice now. You got two credits. Oh, you got another credit. You got another credit. You can go again. CG3, try to get the red one that's sticking up.
Right there?
You see the red ones? You see one's pointing up? Yeah, they cheated. Give it to Daddy. Hand Daddy the card. Oh, they cheating. They cheating. You want to try again? Daddy got the card. Daddy got it. You got the card. Drop it. Oh, wow. Wow, they cheating. Y'all want to turn? Yeah, let them get a turn real quick, CG3. Wow. We're going to try again. Let's let them get a turn real quick, okay? You trying to get the 500?
That one, I can't get it. You ain't gonna, the car ain't gonna reach it. That's not what I was
Woo! It better not drop them. It better not drop them. Put them down there. Bring them down. Yeah. What happened? What are they? They should be here. Oh, yeah, it's got both of them. Yeah. You want to hold them on this one. You go ahead. Okay, that one out. Okay, you got those right here. You got those over there. And then we got these over here. We've been putting in that work. Man, we've putting in that work as a family, getting all these tickets. Let's go see how many tickets we got.
That has a flex on it. We got 10,000.
10,000 tickets?
10,000.
Okay, come on.
40 chips.
You like that plushie? You got some plushies. Look, it's some big ones. Look, there's some big teddy bears up there.
Get daddy a headset.
He already got a headset.
No, don't.
No, CG3.
No, baby. No, let's see. Get what you want.
Yeah, pick what you want to get.
Barbie.
What?
Like those
You want
plushies.
those? Okay, what else?
This one is 20,000. Dang, it's a lot of tickets for these games.
Oh, yeah, you want to get you one of those so it can stay in the truck? You can be comfortable when you sleep?
Oh, yeah, we be falling asleep in there, huh?
Hold on. That's 2,300. That's 1,100.
Man, some of these things at Walmart. Where's the big guns at? Show me the money.
I want to go free like that.
You want this?
Yeah, I go free.
What's that? Oh, look at that. Those anime pictures up there. The ones that change when you switch it. I don't see no Godzilla stuff in here, CG3.
I
Do you? Where? Oh. You like
We
that?
already got a Pikachu at home.
We do. We got a big Pikachu.
I'm still the newspaper though.
No, it's not. If anything, the stuffing running low.
Oh, wait, I got an idea.
What? You like that? Okay, grab it. Grab what you want. You got 10,000 tickets.
We get every we want?
Yeah, you can get whatever you want. You have 10,000 tickets. Look, it tell you how much each one of these things cost right here.
Manga.
You want that?
Yeah,
What's those little tiny little figurines?
I want it.
You want proof?
Yeah, I want
You sure? Okay.
Hey, we didn't get that one.
What's that? How much is one of them big old plush?
9,000.
9,000? Oh, he was.
That was 8,000.
He would have spent all his tickets just on one of those. We got a lot of big stuffed animals though.
I get octopus.
Okay, you got everything you want?
All right. We had to pull over. We literally got caught in the middle of a thunderstorm. It was crazy. Then we had to take Idris out his car seat because he was screaming, crying like crazy. You good, CG3? Yeah.
Scared.
There's nothing to be scared of. We're just waiting the storm out. Because it's raining too hard. You can't even really drive in this. And I don't even want to try and drive in this. Because if you drive in this, you can risk the chance of getting into an accident. And I've already hydroplaned in the rain before. A long time ago, before you were born. I'm not trying to do it again. Especially not with my family in the car. It's not that serious to get to our destination. Obviously, you're not the only ones who pulled over with some sense. You okay, Chunky? You okay, Chunky, baby? Yeah, I don't know how they still driving because you can't even, like I said, you can't see the lines, but not only can you not see the lines, I could barely even see, like, where I'm going. I can barely even see what's in front of me. Daddy got you the new Godzilla toys.
Can you help me?
We're going to open it tomorrow, but it's 12 a.m.
It's time to go to bed now, baby.
You got you some more Bakugans. You have to tell
Eugene, no.
you have to tell your friends thank you.
No.
It's 12 a.m. CG3. We can play with them in the morning. It's late. We just got back late.
Do not start that. Don't start that. Look, with first thing in the morning, you can play with all of them, okay?
Yeah, it's late. We've been out at Buster's all day.
You don't want to go to sleep?
Your birthday was an all-day event.
Because if you open them right now, I'm going to sleep on you. You put yourself to sleep. What's up? You want? I can cut cut these Godzilla ones up in. You can play with them. But I'm going to sleep.
You gonna play with your toys right now? It's bedtime. Everybody going to sleep. I know you fell asleep on the way here, but you need to get some rest. That's not nearly enough sleep.
I'll cut them up.
Huh?
I mean, you a kid, bro. You don't want to play with these toys.
Thank you for...
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, you have to make sure you tell your friends thank you.